but now you're also maybe the most famous German-speaking renewable energy YouTuber and podcaster. When did you feel you can and also you should do more than teaching renewables at university? When was the point when you said, hey, I need to go public with the message, right?
Yeah, I decided to go to the renewable energy field to save our planet. So this was my decision. And of course, the scientific issues are very important for that, to make the technology better, to make it cheaper. And I went to scientific ways, or I made my doctorate in using solar power. And I tried to go back to university to become a professor. And in the 1990s, I started to write also a specialist book. But then I've seen that a lot of people are asking some questions. So they want to understand what to do, how these technologies of renewable power work. And there was a lack of information. So there were not so good books. There were no information in internet that's public available. And during that time, I say, okay, there's a lack of information, and we have to do something to bridge here the gap. And the first thing I did is to write a popular book, Renewable Power and Climate Change. It's also translated into English. But I've also I've seen that the internet is very interesting, because it's a very easy way for the people to get access to information. And then first thing, I started to write information. So I have a website as well, where I publish some common information on renewable power and some statistics and so on, that the people can inform themselves to have clear facts and not some alternative facts on these technologies. Because of course a lot of companies or politicians who do not like to make energy transitions, they put alternative facts into the publicity. And so I think it's a role of scientific people to make clear and for right information based on facts. And that was what I want to do. And I started with information written in internet. And then we had a small project in our university. There was a small funding for producing some teaching videos, 5 minutes long. And then we did it. And we made some, I think, 5 or 6 videos. And then the project ended. It was over. So it's at the same time, no funding anymore. And then we had the videos, but what should I do with these videos? I can show my students, of course, very interesting, but they can see me live. So it's no point that makes the world better. And then I decided, okay, I have now these videos. Then I put them into the publicity. I started a YouTube channel, and the interest was very good. And this was for me motivation to make more of these videos. And since that time, I'm a YouTuber.